तुमकां सगळ्यांक ह्या फेस्टिवलाची परबी आमच्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक आमचे मणियारे आनी आर्किटेक्ट बाब तुलियो आनीक आमचे एक्टिविस्ट बाब नरेश साळगांवकर आमी 13 ऑगस्ट 2020 एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन कुळका बांबोळी खुर्सा फाटल्यान जे 55,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जमनीक चेर इल्लिगल परमिशन्स दिवन थंय जवळ 94 प्लॉट्स करपाचे परमिशन तेणी दिल्ले त्याचे वेगळे वेगळे इश्यूज आमी घेतलेले थंयचो पयलींचो TCP जो आशिल्लो पुट्टराजू तांणी त्या हेजेर ऑब्जेक्शन काडलेलें की हांगा स्टीप स्लोप आसा म्हणून आनी त्या खातीर ते प्रपोजल अप्रूव जावपाक शकना आनी ते परत रिवायज करपाक घातलेले ते 2 प्लॉट आसा एक 20,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर आनी एक 17,800 स्क्वेअर मिटर आनीक तेच्या नंतर आमी बोवाळ केलो आमी कंप्लेन केली विजिलन्सान कंप्लेन केली आनी तो बोवाळ करतकच लोकायुक्ताक आमी ती कंप्लेन केली तेच्या नंतर विजिलन्स इन्क्वायरी स्टार्ट जाल्ली थंयच्यान ते 94 प्लॉट्स नंतर बोवाळ करतकच 77 प्लॉट्स मागीर आमी कंप्लेन केलो आमी बोवाळ करतकच तेच्या नंतर ते 54 प्लॉट्स जाले म्हणजे 94 वयल्यान ते 54 जवळ 50% प्लॉट्स कमी जाले म्हणजे कितल्यो कश्यो इल्लिगलिटीज ह्या सरकाराच्या काळान चलता आनी खास करून बाबू कवळेकराचे जे TCP पोर्टफोलिओ आसा हातून भरमसाठ करप्शन चालू आसा ते ऑफिसर्स कॉम्प्रोमाइज करतात आनी ते थोडे ऑफिसर्स असे आसा ते म्हणजे सर्रास इल्लिगलिटीज TCP डिपार्टमेंटान म्हणजे थंय सामके स्पिडीन जितले काम करपाक मेळटा तितली स्पिडीन ते काम तेंचे चालूच आसता आनी ते ह्या संदर्भात परत आमी फ्रेश आयज हो इश्यूज घेवन आयल्या की ते अजुनूय कश्यो इल्लिगलिटीज आसा आनी तेचेर चड उजवाड घालतलो कारण ह्या विशयांतले सामके तज्ञ एक्सपर्ट बाब तुलियो तुमचे मुखार आनी ज्यो इल्लिगलिटीज हांगा उरल्या ताचेर आमी उजवाड करता Same.
How many areas?
It is total area is around 55,000 square meters.
Survey number 20/1A, Kurka village of Tiswadi Taluka.
21A.
20/1A. This is the land in question, measuring approximately 55,000 square meters. It is interesting to know the bare facts of this land. From the government survey itself of the Agriculture Department by a letter dated 11th of May 2019, the Agriculture Department clearly says that 17,200 of this is classified under cultivable area and an area of 37,800 is uncultivated.
How much?
37,800 uncultivated. Now further that the proposed area for subdivision at measuring 37,800, the proposed area of 37,800 which was the original proposal for development is a steep slope from west to east. I am reading from the government survey itself, the government letter dated 11th of May 2019. On the eastern side there is a road connecting Shiddan and Kurka. Across this road on the eastern side are salt pans. आता तुमका uncultivable land, cultivable land, salt pans, what this clearly indicates that this particular land is an eco-sensitive land. This land cannot be developed. But the applicants who had obtained a change in land use way back, which is always subject to, I am saying, any change in land use, even is always subject to further scrutiny by the department at the time of issuing development permissions. And the chief town planner, Mr. Putturaju, has also made a remark during the site inspection that this land is a steep slope. I have got the concerned file noting where he clearly says that this land is a steep slope. The site was inspected along with the chief town planner and planning assistant on 11th of February 2015, and the plot under reference is having steep slope from western side to eastern side. म्हणजे कितें दोन सरकारी डिपार्टमेंटांनी हे स्टीप स्लोप म्हणून सिद्ध जाल्ले आसा. ऑन रेकॉर्ड तांणी हे नोटींग घातलेले आसा. Suddenly when the applicant kept on pressurizing the department into issuing these permissions, under what pressure we don't know, but as we all know, the town planning department is writhing in corruption. We have pointed out many such cases. The minister, with the connivance of some officials, is issuing memos from time to time that all files, please take note of this, all files which are more than 800 square meters or more than 4 apartments, all files which are more than 800 square meters or 4 apartments should be referred to the minister for approval. For what? Is the minister the technical authority of technical competence to scrutinize these files? Why has every single small applicant who is building a small project, self-employed engineers, self-employed architects are doing small projects of 4 apartments, 5 apartments, they have to go all the way to the minister to satisfy all his requirements to get their projects approved? There is nowhere in the Town and Country Planning Act or the Goa Land and Building Construction Act and rules which says that any file requires a government approval. The government is only in the business of issuing policy and directions. The approvals have to be done by the concerned officer who has been vested with the necessary powers to deal such approvals. And this is the reason why the minister exerts influence on all these officers to deal with these files and do such approvals which are not tenable under the law. Otherwise, how do you explain when an applicant comes with 94 plots, 94 becomes 77 and 77 becomes 55? Only because the Congress party and our friend Mr. Salgaonkar has been doing meticulous work on this, and the Vigilance Department has conducted an inquiry that the plots have reduced from 94 to 55, and we will continue to exert pressure on the officers and the government and all the other authorities that are required to see that all the plots which are falling in the eco-sensitive zone, which are not as per the mandate of the law and are destroying Goa's eco-sensitive environment, are all annulled. And these matters like this file we are bringing up as an example of the gross irregularities that are going on in the Town and Country Planning Department. The minister should tell us how many files he is sitting on right now in the secretariat doing deals, whether these files are technically approved by the department or not. This matter will be taken to the courts, just like how 16B has been taken and that is an interim order by the court, by an honorable High Court, that all permissions given are subject to the final outcome of this petition in petition number 44 of 2018. So we immediately request the Vigilance Department to conduct a high-level inquiry into the circumstances leading to the approvals and reapprovals and revised approvals in this project, done under what pressure, and if need be, an independent commission of inquiry should be instituted to know how such approvals are granted. I have read few excerpts which highlight my case. You all can read through the entire file and know for yourselves what is going on in this department headed by the Honorable Town and Country Planning Minister, who is exerting pressure on these officers to accord such illegal approvals. There is also another complaint filed by Mr. Naresh Sargaonkar, inwarded in the office of the Town and Country Planning Department again on 20th of this month, a week ago, pointing out to these fresh irregularities that have come to light. We are awaiting immediate action by the government on this fresh complaint. We will also move the Vigilance Department again to conduct an inquiry in this matter.
You will move the vigilance department again to conduct inquiry, fresh inquiry in the matter.
Yes.
What about a police complaint? Has any police complaint been made in this regard?
Police complaint will follow after the findings of the investigation.
See, here there are basically the illegalities, apart from what Tulio has pointed out, is the illegal hill cutting is going on. The entire project is covered by 3 tall sheets of around 3 to 4 meters. The machineries are inside. I'm told yesterday only they are moved out, but trucks are still there. थंय सगळी झाडां आसात ऑलरेडी. तो एक हें आसा की ते पयली स्टीप स्लोप म्हणजे 25% मायज जर स्लोप आसलो जाल्यार इट इज अ नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप, करेक्ट?
Yes.
So it is around 31%. थंय तर हें आसा वेगळे वेगळे कडेन जाल्यार 31%, 28%, 26% सुद्धा मेळटा. म्हणजे इट इज अ नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप. थंय आनी डेव्हलपमेंट कांय करपाक जायना, ते कटिंग करपाक जायना. एक म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंटान आमकां सांगपाक जाय, चीफ मिनिस्टराक मागता की त्या एकूच फायलीन जो पयलींचो सीटीपी आसा तो सांगता इट इज अ स्टीप स्लोप एंड द डेव्हलपमेंट परमिशन्स कॅनॉट बी ग्रांटेड. एंड सबसिक्वेंटली another officer in the department, that is draftsman, Mr. Tuekar, he puts a note saying that it is a gentle slope. So how? Now who is right? Whether the earlier TCP Patulaju is right or this new gentleman who has become a big boss in the TCP department, त्याचा गब्बर म्हणतात TCP डिपार्टमेंटाचो, तो कसली परमिशन कसली जाय तांकां दिता, जाय ते चेंज करता, तो कोणाक दिना तो, कारण तो म्हणटा मिनिस्टराक आपूण कंट्रोल करता, मिनिस्टराचे हप्ते मिनिस्टराक मेळटा म्हणटा तो. सो आपल्याक कोण टच करपाक शकता, आपूण कसल्यो फायल्यो कश्योय चेंज करून दिवपाक शकता. तो म्हणटा तो जनरल स्लोप आनी त्या बेजीचेर ते परमिशन दिता. ते कंट्रोल मॅप करपाक लायता स्लोपाचेर ते करना, म्हणजे इज कम्प्लिटली इलिगल. सो ही एक म्हणजे मुख्यमंत्र्यान आमकां सांगपाक जाय की एकूच फायलींग तीच जमीन पयली थंय स्टीप स्लोप आसता आनी दुसरो ऑफिसर म्हणटा जनरल स्लोप आनी परमिशन दिता. हे एक विजयस गव्हर्नमेंटान क्लॅरिफाय करपाक जाय. दुसरें म्हणजे थंय परमिशन जी दिल्या 16B अंडर 17
Under the new RPO, the notified RPO.
ते परमिशनाचे बोर्ड्स ते लायले ना. जर तर हिल कटिंग परमिशन्स दिल्ले आसतले 17A, सो ते क्लॅरिफाय करचे आनी कितले कटिंग अलाव केला आनी ते धापून कित्याक दवरून भितर करतात तो सेकंड मुद्दो. कारण थंय झाडां आसात, ते एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचो नोट आसता हें करता आनी तो इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन. आनी नंबर 3 जो ओपन स्पेस दवरपा पडटा अराउंड 15%, तो युजेबल ओपन स्पेस असपाक जाय. आता जो ओपन स्पेस दवरलेलो आसा ह्या हेजेर त्या ओपन स्पेसाक हो तेगेलो फायनल प्लॅन आसा आणि हो बेसिकली ओपन स्पेस दोन कडेन दवरलेले आसा. हाजो जो स्लोप आसा तो 31% आसा, हाजो 31% आसा. आता युजेबल लँड म्हणल्यार कितें म्हणजे त्याचो स्लोप हे बिलो 25% असपाक जाय. दिस इज अबाव 35%. दॅट मीन्स यू कॅनॉट मेक एनी यूज हांगा कांय तूं यूज करपाक शकता. सो तो ओपन स्पेस जावपाकूच शकना. सो हो ओपन स्पेस हांगा कसो जालो, तो कसो जादू जालो आमकां खबर ना. सो गव्हर्नमेंटान हेजेर क्लॅरिफाय करपाक जाय आनी हो एंटायर प्लॅन आसा तो रिवायज करपाक जाय. कारण हांगा तो ओपन स्पेस दवरपाकूच शकना, ते जावपाकूच शकना.
We request the government to immediately issue a stop work order on this project pending a thorough inquiry into this entire matter, and also request the village panchayat of Kurka to immediately revoke the permissions granted to this project.
We have already given complaints. Mr. Sarwan already given complaint. Lokayukta complaint is already filed. Yesterday I have sent all the details to the collector also. हे तर अशें करून जर आमचे जमनीचेर हल्लो करतात, कायदे सगळे तोडून तर कायदे करतात कित्याक सामान्य मनशाक कायदे आणि हेतून सगळो पूर्णपणे जबाबदार म्हणजे ते ऑफिसर 2-3 आसाच, पूण मेन जबाबदार हेजो टीसीपी मिनिस्टर बाबू कवळेकर. बाबू कवळेकर रायट नाव इफ यू गो रायट नाव टू टीसीपी मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस और मे बी टीसीपी ऑफिस, तुमकां जवळ जवळ 200 फायल्स बाबू कवळेकरा कडेन पेंडिंग, सॉरी 250 ते 300 फायल्स आम्ही आरटीआय घातलेलो. आमकां आरटीआय टाळाटाळ केलो. फक्त आम्ही आरटीआय सिंपल घातलेलो, हाऊ मेनी फायल्स आर पेंडिंग विथ टीसीपी मिनिस्टर. म्हणजे ऍक्च्युअली पहिले म्हणजे टीसीपी मिनिस्टर हो टेक्निकल मनीसूच न्ही. डिपार्टमेंटाचे सगळे पॉलिसीज आसा त्यो लेट डावन आसात, रुल्स लेट डावन आसात. ताका अधिकारूच ना फायल दवरपाक. त्याच्या नंतर तो फायल दवरता आणि पैसे मागल्यार ते फायल क्लियर करता. रेट सामको स्पेसिफिक लागलेलो आसा, प्लॉटांचो फ्लॅटाचो प्रत्येक रेट फिक्स आसा आणि हाय लेवल करप्शन बाबू कवळेकर कंप्लीट हितून इन्वॉल्व जाल्लो आसा. आणि आता जर तुम्ही सगळे गेले बाबू कवळेकराच्या ऑफिसान, तुमकां 250 ते 300 फायल्स गरजे भायर पेंडिंग दवरलेले आसा आणि हेणी पैसे पे केले ना. म्हणजे तो जो बाबूचे स्पेशल ड्युटी असता टीसीपी टॅक्स बाबू कवळेकर, ते टॅक्स कलेक्ट करपाक ह्यो फायल्स पेंडिंग आसात.
गिरीश
बाबू कवळेकरान जाहीर करचे आणि मुख्यमंत्र्याक जाहीर करचे कितल्यो फायल्स पेंडिंग दवरल्यात आणि त्यो कित्याक पेंडिंग दवरल्यात ते जाहीर करचे. दिस इज अ क्लियर कट करप्शन. सामके हाय लेवल करप्शन.
If there is no action taken on a complaints which are made till date and government fails to take action, drags its feet till the election code of conduct is imposed, will all move to the High Court?
Immediately we are moving to the High Court. कश काय गोयतले High Court आमकां तेच immediately because लोकायुक्त आसा, विजिलन्स कंप्लेन हे फायलीन घालना लिपोवन दवरतात. आमी परत विजिलन्साकडे वयतले, विजिलन्साकडे चेक करतले. कारण इट्स क्लियर केस ऑफ करप्शन आणि ह्या हेचे खातीर आसा. मोदी ह्यो मोदी सगळे प्रोजेक्ट असतो मोदीचो प्रोजेक्ट. मोदी म्हळ्यार देशाक आनी तुका आनी कितें सांगता. मोदी असं म्हणटकर हे सगळे मोदी है कुछ भी मुमकिन है.
अंजलि हर्षद मोदी.
सो मोदी है तो कुछ भी मुमकिन है.
या तुमच्याकडे एरिया
खुर्सा फाटल्यातली
डोंगर येता डोंगर
तू मोदी
डोंगर मागीर निगरचा आसा
खुर्सा फाटल्या.
And what is the name of that TCP officer? Tuenkar, full name?
His full name Chandrasekhar Tuenkar. He is actually a draftsman. He has actually become a governor. So he controls everybody in the DCP department. If you want to do any illegalities, you just contact one point person. And त्याच्याबरोबर अनेकही खूप लोक असतात. त्यानंतर माहिती तुला डेप्युटी टाउन डिपेंडिंग.
Since you have made these allegations against Mr. Tuenkar, has any complaint, official complaint been given to the department?
We just go and check the vigilance complaints. How many complaints are there, including our kids?
दुसरं 7B कोर्टान गेलं जे घेतला पळय त्यांचे किती जातले एवढा पैसे
नो एक गोष्ट काँग्रेस पक्षान ऑलरेडी जाहीर केला आणि मॅनिफेस्टोनी आमचो एक स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड पॉइंट असा की हे 16B पळय अमेंडमेंट असा तो रद्द करता. That amendment will be scrapped and my president is sitting here. That amendment to 16B of the Town Planning Act will be scrapped. That is one of the first actions of the new Congress government that will take office in Goa in the near future.
When you speak of Congress government,
Second, no, he had one more question. He was asking what happens to the cases that have been approved. We have also said that all cases from day one that have been approved, which we consider illegal, shall be declared null and void.
by the Congress government or the
Yes.
Congress alliance government?
Congress
Go
government.
forward alliance.
Congress government.
Because when you have an alliance government, then it is a compromise. So
I don't speak
things
about
in the manifestos
You don't
get
I
compromised.
don't speak about hypothetical situations. We are in the Congress and we are talking about a Congress government.
No, actually 16B is was
16B is Goa is on sale. Goa is officially on sale. The former TCP minister even said himself in the recent past that the present BJP government has used that as an ATM. Have you heard this? The TCP minister, the then TCP minister, who said that the present BJP government has used this 16B as an ATM, but it is unfortunate as who has installed this ATM.
Your president always said it is suitcase to suitcase.
Exactly.
Babu Kavakar is continuing saying the same thing. That's what we say. And that is the reason why आमच्या गोंयच्या जमनीचेर जो हल्लो जाता आनी गोंयच्या सगळ्यांचे कन्सर्न जे आसा की आमची जमीन जी आसा तेजेर हल्लो जाता. And that is why we want to bring, apart from this 16B, scrapping of 16B with this retrospective effect, that will happen. The first decision immediately on the formation of the government, first decision will be this. जे हो हेणे आमच्या जमनीचेर हल्लो चड जाल्लो आसा. आनी immediately the land reforms. We are working on the land reforms. Our manifesto committee is working on land reforms. The immediate thing that we will be doing is selling of agricultural land to non-agriculture person, which should be banned immediately. So that will be another announcement that will come in the manifesto, which we are committing to the people of Goa, that we are committed to preserve our prestigious land in Goa. ज्या जमनी खातीर आमी सगळे तळमळटा, आमी सगळे झगडटात, ती जमीन राखपाची जबाबदारी ही आमची. आयज त्याच बरोबर एक आमी सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाचे खंडन करतात. युनियन मिनिस्टरान आमचे मिशनरी ऑफ चॅरिटी जे मदर तेरेसाचे जे मिशन आसा त्यांचे जवळ जवळ पेशंट्स आणि वर्कर्स मेळून जवळ 22,000 लोक तेजे डिपेंड आसा. तर क्रिसमस टायमाचेर सडनली ते अकाउंट फ्रीज करप आणि वेगळे वेगळे तरेन वेगवेगळो मायनॉरिटीचेर हल्लो आमी कर्नाटकाक थंयचेर हल्लो कसो जाता तो आमी पळयल्लो आसा. सो ह्यो सगळ्यो घडणुके आमी कंडेम करता. आणि जे मोदीन स्टेटमेंट दिल्ले आसा ते इलेक्शना टायमार ते जाय तशी चेंज जाता. सबका साथ आणि सबका विकास, सबका साथ आणि सबका विकास जाल्यार तुम्ही सर्टन कम्युनिटी कित्याक टार्गेट करतात तुमचं सरकार? कारण इतल्यो इलिगलिटीज बाकीचे तुमचे करतात तांकां तुम्ही कांयच पनिश करनात आणि इनोसेंटली जे लोकां खातीर एक मिशन म्हणून घेवन काम करतात त्या मिशनांचेर तुम्ही हल्लो करतात ओनली बिकॉज दे आर मायनॉरिटीज. जाल्यार तुमचे सबका साथ सबका विकास गेले नाही. आणि गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट जितून भितर सायजेबल मायनॉरिटी एमएलएज आसात तेजेर डिपेंड आसात. हो गव्हर्नमेंट आनी हे एमएलएज ह्या हेचेर रेज करून ते स्ट्रॉंगली मुख्यमंत्री प्रायम मिनिस्टराक कित्याक बरयना त्यांचो हो डिमांड करून की देशाक आमकां पीस जाय. इलेक्शन येतली वयतली, इलेक्शन जिखपा खातीर तुम्ही पीस डिस्टर्ब करनाकात. आमकां खबर आसा तुम्ही उत्तर प्रदेशाक इलेक्शना खातीर खूब कितें करपाक सोदतात. हेचे मुखारय खूब कितें जातलें. हाच्या खातीर आमी सगळ्यांनी शाबूत रावचें पडटलें. कारण कितेंय जावपाक शकता ह्या सरकाराचेर
दुसरं-
दुसरे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स